Hello everyone, welcome to the form filling video of Mumbai University 2024. That's the official link to start the registration process, muugsadmission.summer.edu.in. Now before we see the step-by-step form filling video, let us see few of the important instructions. Now, you should write the name as it appears on the class 10th board mark sheet. You have to log into the admission portal with your registered email ID. So please make sure you have an email ID that is working and it is active. Basically, the email ID provided by the applicant must be functional and the applicant must have the access to it throughout the admission process. Applicants are encouraged to use the latest version of Google Chrome. Now, after you hit that link, it will show you the registration page. Now, in that form, first we have to complete this registration form. You have to fill in your application name, your date of birth, followed by your application email and re-enter the applicant's email. After you fill in your name, date of birth and the email address, you need to set your own password as per the instructions given. Then you need to re-enter your password followed by your mobile number and re-enter the mobile number. Then enter the CAPTCHA verification, click on register. Then you're going to get an OTP on your email ID and you need to verify your account. So enter the OTP and the CAPTCHA again and submit. Then you will see this university form, log in with your login credentials. Now, the entire process the entire form filling is divided into two parts. The first part is complete your profile and the second part is apply the programs. So let us see the first part first, complete your profile. So after you log in with your login credentials, the first thing that you have to start is your full name of the applicant, then the gender, the age, the category. Please make sure you select the appropriate category. Then registered email ID of the applicant. If you have any alternate email ID, you can mention that. However, that is not mandatory. Followed by the registered mobile number, and if you want to submit your parent's number, you can submit that. Then the blood group, which is again not mandatory, and are you a citizen of India? Yes, no. After you complete this page, the next is your religion. Select the religion that you belong to, followed by the place of birth details. So make sure you mention the correct details. After that, it will ask you to fill in your father's name, your mother's name, as well as your emergency contact number. So please make sure this part is mandatory. So all the things which has an asterisk, you have to submit that. Then combined family income, select the appropriate from the appropriate drop down. You have to fill in the family income. Then comes the other category quota. Person with benchmark disability. If you belong to any PWD category, select that. If you are a Kashmiri migrant, select that. Children of widows of armed force personnel, children of central government, then cultural activities quota, and based on that, so whatever is appropriate, if you belong to any of these categories, please make sure you select the appropriate option from the drop down. Then you have to mention your correspondent address with the country, state, city, district and the PIN code. And if your permanent address is same as the correspondence address, select the checkbox and click on save and next. After that, it will ask you, do you have any illness which requires continuous or emergency medical attention? So accordingly select yes or a no. If you have NCC certificate, again select yes or a no. Then other details, it will ask you the language, Marathi, Hindi, English, other language. You can read, write and speaking. Click on the appropriate checkbox. Then very important, before you upload your photographs, please make sure that the photograph should be either in JPG format or JPEG format, and the size limit is between 10 KB to 500 KB. So please make sure you keep your photograph, signature, 10th and 12th mark sheet as per the given format and as per the given size. Then it will ask you to upload your photo. So select the appropriate file and upload your photo and the signature. This income certificate is not mandatory. So without uploading the income certificate also, you can go to the next step. So after you have uploaded your photo and signature, click on next preview. Now, before you submit finally, it will ask you to preview the entire form right from the start till the end of the form, which is uploading your signature and the photo. So please make sure you check your all the your full name, your date of birth is filled appropriately, your email ID is correct, your phone number is correct, your address is correct. So make sure you check the entire form with the address and the pin code as well. So the entire form will be visible to you under the preview mode. So after you click or you check the entire preview form, at the end, it will show you the uploaded photo as well as the signature. If you're satisfied, happy that all the details are correct, then you will click on submit and lock. After you click on submit and lock profile, it will ask you, I do here declare that all the statements made in the profile are true. So click on this checkbox and click on confirm and lock. So that is the end of the first part, which is the profile completion. Now let us see the second part, which is very important. How do you select the programs? Now let us see the second part, which is the selection of the programs. So when you log into the Mumbai University portal with your login credentials, on the home tab, if you click on the home tab, after that you have to click on the select program. So once you take your mouse on the select program, you will see a green box. Click on select program. Then you just need to scroll down here and you will see program level. So under this program level drop down, you will see bachelor's undergraduate program. After that comes the course selection. Let's say I want to apply for Bachelor's of Commerce. Now it is very important to understand whether the college that you want to apply a particular program is under autonomous category or not. Now for example, NM is an autonomous college, Mithibai is an autonomous college, Jai Hind is also an autonomous college, even Thakur College is autonomous. So let's say the first course that I want to apply is Bachelor's of Commerce. So under this drop down of program, I will search for Bachelor's of Commerce autonomous. So if I just scroll down and try to go further down, so you will see Bachelor's of Arts, Business Administration, and here you can see I have Bachelor's of Commerce autonomous. So if I select Bachelor's of Commerce autonomous, it will show me the number of colleges which fall under this category. So if you scroll down, you will see there are overall 44 colleges which are Bachelor of Commerce autonomous. Under that, I'll now try to search for NM college. So for NM college, you have to search for Narsi Monji. So you'll have to not type NM, type for Narsi Monji. So if I just scroll down and show it to you, these are the list of all the colleges. So here I can see Jai Hind also. Let's say I selected Jai Hind College. Now, while Jai Hind College is there, on the right hand side, you will see not interested. Click on that and you have to give your preferences. So let's say for Bachelor of Commerce, Jai Hind is my first preference. So I'll just go here and click on first preference. Similarly, if I want to give Narsi Monji College as my second preference, I will search for Narsi Monji College, and under not interested category, I will give NM College as my second preference. So depending upon what preferences you want to give, select the appropriate course and give the preferences accordingly. Now let me show you few other degrees. After this, let's say I want to apply for Bachelor's of Accounting and Finance. So I'll scroll down. You have to search for Bachelor's of Commerce. I'll just show you the name. So Bachelor's of Commerce. Okay, I'll show you for Bachelor's of Commerce, Banking and Insurance. So here is the name, Bachelor of Commerce, Banking and AMP Insurance Autonomous. So you will see the colleges offering BBI program, and under the autonomous category, scroll down, you will see the names. So these are the colleges, 27 colleges in Mumbai offering Bachelor's of Banking and Insurance under the autonomous category. Now let's say I select some other program, like I want to select for BAF. So I'll scroll down further and see where is the Bachelor's of Commerce, Accounting and Finance. So here if I see Bachelor of Commerce, Accounting and Finance autonomous. So this nomenclature is very, very important to search the course. Then only you will be able to see the college name. So if I go down and see, there are overall 38 colleges offering Bachelor's of Commerce, Accounting and Finance autonomous. So here I'll be definitely able to see the name of Jai Hind College because they have a BAF program. Then you will be able to see the name of Mithibai College also and Narsi Monji colleges also. So depending upon which program you want to apply, and first check whether the college is autonomous or not, go to this drop down of search for college institute, put in the appropriate name, then only you will be able to see the colleges. Then let's say I have selected a particular college and given the preference, then it will ask you to verify all the details that you have filled from the right to the start, and the end you have to submit. So this is how you have to select a particular program and give preferences one by one. And one more thing, Few colleges have already started their own individual forms like NM College. After you fill in this entire process on Mumbai University, you will get a pre-enrollment number. That number has to be put in the actual form once you start filling it up on the NM website. So NM has a different process, as in they have their own link which has already started on the NM website. So after you're done with the entire Mumbai University process, go to NM College and fill their own form and the pre-enrollment number that you will get once you complete the Mumbai University form. Same process is for Jai Hind College as well. Before you start filling the Jai Hind College individual form, you have to first fill in the form of Mumbai University, the course that you want to apply, and then start filling up the Jai Hind College. So I request everyone to keep checking the individual college websites as to when is the personal registration starting. But before that, you have to make sure you fill the Mumbai University form. Now, as far as BMS is concerned, after speaking to NM College, they have told that there is no need, you will not see the name of Bachelors of Management Studies under Mumbai University form. So we confirmed from the college, they have told as of now, there is nothing to be done as far as Bachelors of Management Studies is concerned to fill anything in the Mumbai University form, because BMS admission at NM and Mitibai and Jai Hind College and few other colleges is going to be taking place through MHCET. So there is no further update as is there anything to be done under Mumbai University as of now. Maybe if there are any changes, the college will let us know and accordingly we will update the students. Wishing you guys all the best. Thank you.